Hello and welcome back to our daily PYQ series where we solve 5 PYQs every day. So, today we will be solving PYQs related to chapter Attorney General of India and Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Though in the last 29 years, as we solve 29 years PYQs, so in the last 29 years, from these two topics, only 5 questions have been asked in total. But okay, since these are of little importance, so we need to cover the PYQs at least, right? Okay, before proceeding with the questions, just two important requests and an announcement. The first one is that please subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet but you like our content, so please do subscribe and do like the videos that you like. Okay, and another thing, uh, we ask you to subscribe in every video because it does not mean anything to you, but it means a lot to us, since when you subscribe or like the videos and share our videos, so these are the mediums through which we get to know that okay, we are uploading something that is helping you all as aspirants. Okay, chalo. Another thing, announcement regarding our prelims mentorship program, that we are offering 1 month access to this program of ours for just rupees 500, which is refundable. That is, stay with us for a month under our guidance. The kind of mentorship that we provide, the kind of support and guidance that we provide, to the point sources that we tell you, like if you're referring to spectrum, so what all chapters have to be read from spectrum, then in some chapters what all has to be read, like if only summary you need to read from a chapter, we tell you all of this very specifically so that you save your time and energy and put it at the right place. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is going to be 100% risk-free investment. Another very important thing is that we have launched our crash course, about which I'll tell you in the later part of the video. Okay, all right. This is the feedback from our students who have joined our mentorship program. You can pause the video and read these, how they are experiencing difference in their productivity and the pace of their preparation. Like we have already begun. In fact, we are halfway in this first revision of ours. In our mentorship program, the students are continuing with their first revision of prelims, and they have covered everything, not like just the static part, but they are continuing. They have done current affairs of at least 3 subjects up till 2023. Okay, not just 2024 but up till 2023, that is 2 complete years. Okay, so this is the pace of our program and the preparation of our students, which I feel is ahead and better than any other program. And the best part that we are giving you is the mentorship, the availability that we are providing you. You can call us anytime you want. I'm talking about call. Yes. Okay, you heard me right. You can call your mentor whenever you feel like. Okay, chalo. In fact, you can see the proofs and examples of this on our Telegram channel. I have shared screenshots of our students' chat. Like whenever she wanted to call, she just asked, and we just replied that you would just call us anytime. Okay, all right. Telegram channel link I'll be sharing in the description, so you can see all the screenshots and everything. Okay. You aspirants often make mistakes, like they join courses of people who are continuously clearing mains, but they are clearing prelims by just like little margin of cutoff. In fact, they are clearing by EWS cutoff. Still you people join them because they have big names, they have become famous, that is why. But I would suggest, please do not follow anybody blindly. Okay, just because they are famous, they are providing you the right thing, no doubt, but they are also providing something um, which is not really important. But उसका disadvantage क्या होता है, that you get burdened with a lot of material. Okay, all right. So these are your mentors on our platform. All the 3 have either scored or cleared forest cutoffs in prelims, and you know how hard that is to crack. All right, let's begin with the questions now. This was all about the detail of our mentorship program. For any other query, you can comment us, telegram us, or WhatsApp us. WhatsApp number you will get on our website, bottom of the website. I'll be sharing link of this website also in the description, so you can refer to that. Okay, question number 1. Consider the following statements about the Attorney General of India. He is appointed by the President of India. Okay, this is quite a factual question. Okay, and in polity, what is the mantra? I have already told in every lecture. By now, you must have ratified the mantra for polity: knowledge, facts, and logic. Nothing like tricks as such. Okay, nothing like that works in case of polity. Of course, in other subject it works, and we are providing you all of this analysis in our mentorship program. Okay, like analysis video, statement wise, we analyze statement wise questions, and we tell you that how and what trick or strategy you can apply to solve that particular question. All right, a demo we have already shared on our Telegram channel, you can refer to that. All right, he is appointed by the President of India, correct. He must have the same qualifications as are required for a judge of Supreme Court. Yes. He must be a member of either House of Parliament. No. Like, see, यहाँ पे you can apply this logic that why he has to be a member of either a House of Parliament. He is Attorney General of India. He does not have really much to do with direct business of the Parliament. Right. Like, he's not a minister or something. So, obviously, this is not a mandatory condition. In fact, not even mandatory. This is something that he must not be a member. Okay, he must not be a member of either House of Parliament. Then, lastly, he can be removed by impeachment by Parliament. Why will we remove him by impeachment? By doing this, we are making this position too high. We are giving too much authority to this position, which it does not have. Why am I saying this? Because he enjoys pleasure of president. He is there for such term up till he enjoys pleasure of president. No fixed tenure. Okay, let's see. Okay, so by that understanding, we have the answer as 1 2. Let's see the explanation. Attorney General appointed by the President. Direct question from the book. Like in, see, this question has been given from just these two paragraphs. Okay, so you can just see how direct questions are asked from polity. All right. Must be qualified to be appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court. Okay. Then term of office not fixed by the Constitution. Holds office during pleasure of the President. And that means he may be removed by the President at any time. Clear? Okay. Moving on to next question. Which one of the following duties is not performed by Controller and Auditor General of India? Not performed, it is asking. Okay, so before beginning with this, with the options, just recall that what is the main task of Controller and Auditor General of India? Auditing. Okay, now let's read the options. To audit and report on all expenditure from the Consolidated Fund of India. To audit and report all the expenditure from the contingency funds and public accounts. To audit and report on all trading, manufacturing, profit and loss accounts. Like up till now, all these details, all these like funds and public accounts, nothing seems to be that he mustn't be auditing, right? Then to control, here it's the word is control. To control the receipt and issue of public money. Issue of public money. Do you understand what is issue of public money? Like it means that from the Consolidated Fund of India, जितना भी expenditure government needs to do or wants to do, he controls that. So what is the parliament doing? Like we have already solved these questions, right, in the previous lectures. If you haven't watched our previous lectures, do watch all those lectures because that has a lot of information apart from just solving PYQs. Okay, you can skip the course detailing part. Like in every video, of course, I detail about the courses and everything. You can skip that part and you can watch the video in speed, but do not leave those lectures. Do give a watch to all those lectures. You will be prepared really well for polity after completing all the PYQ lectures for sure. Okay, chalo. So to control, definitely not. He does not have any such power to control. Okay, he does not even supervise, he audits, only audits. That too after everything has been done. All right. Who does that issue of who controls the issue of money? That is done by parliament by the Appropriation of Money Act. Okay, we have already done this. So see, here is the detail about our crash course. The crash course is only of 2499, which is again refundable. We have kept this refundable because for us what matters is your satisfaction. Okay, and that is why we have kept our courses refundable. And also because we know that you, once you join us, you will definitely like the program, you will definitely see progress in your preparation and confidence. Okay, all right, you will get everything under this course, from PYQs, current affairs, static details, what you need to do, high yielding areas information, then sectional and full length tests. Okay, all right, plus CSAT guidance. Okay, so everything that you need to qualify this prelims of yours. And most important, I missed this, how to solve questions. How to solve. We are giving you this too for just this amount. And mentorship, I've already shared the quality and kind of mentorship we are providing. All right, moving on to next question. To enroll in any of these, you can directly visit the website. Okay, and in case of any trouble, just contact us. Chalo. Consider the following statements. The Advocate General of a state in India is appointed by the President of India upon the recommendation of the Governor of the concerned state. We are talking about Advocate General of a state, not Attorney General of state. And do not get confused here that just because High Court judges are appointed by President, right? They have jurisdiction over the state, na? So don't get confused that since they are appointed by the President, so will Advocate General of a state will also be appointed by President. It's not like that. All right. So he is appointed by the governor, not the president. Clear? So this is incorrect. As provided in Civil Procedure Code, high courts have original, appellate, and advisory jurisdiction at the state level. I'll tell you something here. Remember this for your execution of the exam when you will be sitting in the examination hall. Whenever we see as provided in Constitution of India, okay, which are the alert words, so I've always told you that 99% of the times that kind of statement would be incorrect. But if it is not Constitution of India but something specific like Civil Procedure Code, then we have recently seen like in 2023 or 2024 they asked as per rules of business and uh, conduct of rules of Lok Sabha, they were asking about deputy speaker in that question. So they did not mention as per Constitution of India but something else specifically. So in such situations that statement would be correct, provided one more thing you need to check, this part will be correct in such cases, but another thing that you need to check is that the further statement is also correct. So we know in this case that yes, high courts have original, appellate, and advisory jurisdiction. Clear? I hope I am making sense. So our answer would be B. C. Advocate General appointed by the Governor. He must be qualified to be appointed a judge of High Court. Okay? Alright. Term of office not fixed. So Constitution, and also Constitution does not contain any grounds of his removal as well. He holds his office during pleasure of Governor. So he can be removed anytime by the Governor. Next question. In India, other than ensuring that public funds are used efficiently and for intended purpose, what is the importance of the Office of Controller and Auditor General? Okay, again, just the duties and functions of Auditor General they are asking. He exercises exchequer control. Again, the word control. He does not control anything on behalf of the parliament when the president of India declares national emergency or financial emergency. He is exercising control on behalf of the parliament. Not at all. Only president like has some role that if parliament is not in session, he will control and look into those things. But any other position have you even heard of? No, right? So incorrect. CAG reports, okay, CAG reports, yes, on the execution of projects and programs by the ministries that are discussed by the Public Accounts Committee. Okay, so his reports are discussed by the Public Accounts Committee. This much basic information and understanding we should have if we are reading Lakshmikant once or twice also. So this is correct. Information from CAG reports. Information from his reports can be used by investigating agencies to frame charges against those who have violated the law while managing public finances. Of course, if he is submitting some reports, and why do we need these reports? So that we know that whatever expenditure was carried out by the government, that was legal, ethical, and correct, right? So if there are any flaws, whatever the desired action should be taken, that would be taken by the investigating agencies. Very smooth statement. All right. While dealing with the audit and accounting of government companies, CAG has certain judicial powers. He does not have any power, okay, for prosecuting those who violate the law. So he does not have any power regarding judiciary. He only audits. He only audits and makes reports and submits those reports. That's it. Nothing else he does. In fact, this is something in for which we criticize this position, that he is not having decent powers. Plus, reporting and all of this does not have any deadline or something. It is carried out on its own pace. चल रहा है, बस होते जा रहा है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. नेक्स्ट बजट आ गया, कितना टाइम हो गया, doesn't matter much. All right. So you can read this. This is what I have already explained you. PDF you will get from our Telegram channel. You can join that by referring to the link that I'll be sharing in the description. Last question. Consider the following statements. Attorney General of India can take part in the proceedings of the Lok Sabha. Proper factual question this is, okay? Take part in the proceedings of the Lok Sabha. Yes. Be a member of a committee of Lok Sabha. Yes. Speak in the Lok Sabha. Yes. Speak in the Lok Sabha. Very light this is. Speak in the Lok Sabha, of course, yes. Vote in the Lok Sabha. Now, voting may you need to think. If you haven't read this chapter, so you will have to, you will definitely have to give a thought by after reading this option, that he can vote in the Lok Sabha. Everybody cannot vote in the Lok Sabha, right? Especially when we know that he is not a member of Lok Sabha. All right. So this is incorrect. All other three statements are correct. See, today, whatever 5 questions we had, hardly any logic or like trick, or I should not I should not say trick, but logic also. I hardly any logic could be used. These all these 5 questions were too factual, okay, and proper knowledge based. So that is why I couldn't apply much logic. But other lectures, if you have watched, you must know, you must be knowing that I try to give you as much insights as possible, okay, and I will keep doing that. So stay connected. This is just the explanation of what I have already shown you, but I'll just tell you so that you know that this is coming from the book itself, okay. Again, very direct question UPSC gives in polity, okay. Fine. Attorney General has the right of audience in all courts in the territory of India. First thing. Right to speak and take part in the proceedings of both the houses of parliament, not just Lok Sabha, but both the houses or their joint sitting, and any committee of the parliament, of which he may be named a member, but without a right to vote. Okay? And very important thing, he enjoys all the privileges and immunities that are available to a member of parliament. So this is very important. You must remember, he enjoys the privileges that a member of parliament enjoys. Clear? Even though he is not a member of parliament. All right? He is not a member of parliament. All right. I hope the lecture was informative. You liked the lecture. Do subscribe the channel and like the video so that I get to know that it is helping you. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.